Hello everyone. Today you learn how to create a chart and chart types. First you have to open MS Excel and fill all the data you want to make a chart. Okay, so first you have to fill data. Here you can see that the month's name and the minimum temperature and maximum temperature here. Okay, so how to create a chart? First you have to select the entire data you want to create a chart. Okay, first you have to select the range and click insert tab. In here you can choose any type of chart. The first one chart we can choose, the first one chart, it's line chart. Line chart here. You choose the line chart. You can see that this is the continuous trend of data across the specific time of period. You can see that in the Jan months the data is continuously flow. Okay, the second type of chart is, first you have to select the range. The second one chart name is column chart. So click insert tab and column chart. Okay, in this chart shows the data at a specific time interval. You can compare each and every data to related month. Okay, you can see the maximum temperature of data. You can see that in the month of May the maximum max temperature here. Okay, in the Jan month you can see that the minimum temperature here. Okay, so you can compare with data in the specific time interval. Okay, now next chart name is, it's bar chart. Bar chart is the horizontal type of chart. It is compare the value individual values. Okay, it's like a column chart, but it's in the horizontal way, and the column chart is showing in the vertical way. Okay, next insert. The next chart is pie chart. In the pie chart you have to select the single data series. Pie chart makes यूज़ ऑफ सिंगल डेटा सीरीज. सिंगल डेटा सीरीज में ही यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि सर्कल में मेंटेन करना होता है, और द सर्कल इज 360 डिग्री. इज डिवाइड ऑल दी टेम्परेचर इनटू द परसेंटेज. Okay, the pie chart represents a circle. You can see that this is the circle containing the percentage. You can see the percentage of all the data values. In a pie chart, each value represents by a part of pie. Thus, each item can compare to whole. Okay, you can compare with, is the 20%, 30%. Okay, 13% is 16%. Okay, तो it is used only for a single data series. सिर्फ आप इसको single data series में ही use कर सकते हैं. Okay. The next chart name is donut chart. The main thing of donut chart, you can choose the more than one data series. आप एक से ज़्यादा data series choose कर सकते हो. Okay. The insert tab, other charts, is donut chart. You can see that it is the form of ring. It is similar to a pie chart, and it also contains the percentage of all the data values. But it displays the multiple data series. Okay, you can see that here the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature here. Okay, now next chart name is scatter chart. Scatter chart represent the relationship between the numerical set of values. It's a scatter chart. numerical data values. In the you can see that here all the numerical values and here also numerical values, and it is point to the all the values. Okay, next chart, it's area chart. In the area chart, okay, you can see that in the area chart is similar to the line chart, but it is its lines are filled with different colors. Okay, you can see that the minimum temperature is fill the color with blue, and the maximum temperature is fill the color with it's a dark maroon color. Okay, so we can compare the difference between the various data values. You can see that the minimum temperature and maximum temperature, and you can compare it. Okay, so hope so you understand the types of chart and the how to create a chart. Thank you.